Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Crazy Gamer. Today in this video, I'm going to be guiding you through how to change your country in West Game 2. First of all, launch the West Game 2 app on your Android or your iOS and make sure your game is updated to the latest version for smooth setting access. From the main home screen, go ahead and tap on your profile avatar at the top left corner. From the basic info section, go ahead and click on player at the bottom left. On the next page, tap on your flag and then you can go ahead and select a different country you want to change to. Select your region from the options and choose one of them and click on the free change button. The flag or your region change is free for the first time after you create an account. Once you complete the first free change option, if you want to change it again, you'll need to spend some coins or in-game currency. Click the confirm button to confirm your change and you'll be able to see that your nationality or your region has changed. Your new country settings should now be applied to your game profile. So that is how you easily change your country or your flag in West Game 2. Now you can enjoy exploring different regions easily. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more gaming tips and tricks. Don't forget to click the bell icon so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.